is your busy meter in the red zone and about to blow the whole dial up? Or are you completely under control, managing every day with grace and poise? As recruitment agency owners, we've always got different levers pulling at us, people wanting for our attention, different problems showing up every day. We start the beginning of the day in a certain way, things happen, it all turns to chaos. Sometimes. We've got these mixed agendas. We've got recruiting jobs, we've got looking after people, we've got growing the business, lots and lots of different things in the pot. So let me ask you the question, how long is it since you've sat back, got yourself a cup of tea, just sat there and looked out the window and let the problems just kind of soak in and let your brain work on them? It's kind of a cool thing to do. If you just sit there and stop trying to figure things out and just stare out the window for a few minutes, often your brain will just start to sort through things and you'll start to come up with ideas. I don't know about you, but all my ideas pop up in the shower, which is kind of the universe playing a trick on me because I've never got a pen and paper to write it down, but that's kind of where my ideas show up. Now, I want to talk about this because 99% of the people that I speak to have this problem. So what do? Well, let's look at where it all starts. It's all starting because you're trying to scale and grow your business and manage a million different things. So the first thing is, as I said, sit back, look out the window, let things ruminate. And then when you're busy, everything just comes flying into your head. So just pick the project or a couple of projects that you believe are going to make the biggest difference for you, and then start to unpack them. And when you start to sit down and think them through and actually give yourself the time to go through a particular issue in your business, you can build a strategy around it. You can take the time to think it through properly and then time box it. And time boxing is amazing because once you start to put a time stamp on it, like how long you think it's going to take you, all of a sudden it won't feel like such an insurmountable problem. And then you can take that issue, take your strategy, it's time boxed and it's done. You don't have to worry about it anymore. And it really is as simple as that. I did an exercise with my guys a few weeks ago and we sat there for a minute with our eyes shut and did nothing else. I don't know if you've ever done that, but if you sit there for a minute, just with your eyes closed, it feels like forever. But when you're in a business crazy, like you've never got enough hours in the day. And that's why I want you to just sit and stop, even if it's just for 5 minutes with a cup of tea, and look out the window. And I can promise you that things will start to fall into place. Priorities will come to the top and then you can start to deal with them. And as I said, I gave you the strategies there. Unpack it, time box it and deal with it. And life will feel a lot more free for you.